at Dapp Center, live here on YouTube and Twitch. Yes, we go live Mondays and Thursdays, same time every day of the week, 12 p.m. Eastern time. What is going on, guys? If you are new to crypto, you're looking to get started, or if you would just want to get the latest buzz on all crypto, DeFi, metaverse, and NFTs, then this is the channel for you, folks. I've been in crypto since 2017. Now I make a living investing in cryptocurrencies and educating others on how they can get started. It is 100% free, guys, for you to subscribe. So make sure to turn on those notifications so that way you guys can stay up to date on all the latest news and info on crypto. Yeah, guys, I'm on Kucoin right now. Kucoin trading futures perpetuals. XRP ran up, guys, 30% just in the last few days. It's just been going up. I did enter a short, guys. I missed the 30% increase. I missed that. So I did what a lot of people make the mistake of doing, especially the newer guys in cryptos. They FOMO in. They buy at the top. They buy when they think the price is going to go even higher. And that's probably the worst time to buy. You buy after it's gone up a lot. That's actually not a good time. Because the more it goes up, the higher the risk of you entering in at that point. Now, yeah, we could see this run even higher. You guys can see it is starting to recover and bounce back. Dang, I was up 10% here. I'm now up only 8%. But the macroeconomics that are going on right now is just not looking too good. I'm very bearish right now. Obviously, I think everybody's bearish at this point, which we're going to be talking more about here in this video. Is crypto getting canceled? Yeah, it kind of seems that way, doesn't it? But yeah, we did see a rally in XRP, which I'm going to be talking a lot about today. We're going to talk about XRP, the SEC, the reason why we're seeing this rally right now. It has a lot to do with the updates in the lawsuit case between XRP and the SEC lawsuit, which we'll be talking more about. But first, I want to I want to update you guys on this because this was big news. This is actually will have a huge impact on my channel, at least not so much now, but it would have back in the beginning when I first started this channel. I was doing a lot of crypto gambling websites. That was mainly where a lot of you guys came from at the beginning that's been following me channel. We've talked a lot about the dApps of, a lot of crypto mining applications and a little bit of DeFi, but a lot of it was the gambling. Like that was the funnest. There's a lot of guys that are telling you how, invest in crypto. I'm sitting there telling you guys how to use crypto and gamble it all away. But here's the update on Twitch, because this is actually the reason why I've had suspensions on my YouTube channel in the past, is because I was posting gambling related topics. Excuse me, I'm getting over a cold here, folks. But yeah, when I was playing slots, roulette, dice games, YouTube actually doesn't allow that unless it's actually licensed. If the casino is actually licensed with them, which I have no way of knowing. Like these guys, the casino guys could tell me that they are licensed, but I actually have no way of actually knowing. YouTube should probably maybe be a little more transparent. But it seems like Twitch is now starting to go down the same rabbit hole that YouTube is as far as gambling goes. It states here, this is actually what Twitch, excuse me, this is what Twitch announced. Gambling content on Twitch has been a big topic of discussion in the community, and something we've been actively reviewing since our last policy update in this area. Today we wanted to update you on all our plans. While we prohibit sharing links or referral codes to all sites that include slots, roulettes, or dice games, we've seen some people circumvent these rules and expose our community to potential harm. So we'll be making a policy update on October 18th to prohibit streaming of gambling sites that include slots, roulette, or dice games that aren't licensed either in the US or other jurisdictions that provide sufficient consumer protection These sites will include stake.com, guys. Yeah, Stake is like the biggest casino, online casino. Excuse me. Excuse me. Dang, I'm really getting over this cold. Oh, let me get drinking my Starbucks double shot energy. But yeah, stake.com, huge crypto casino. You guys, I played Stake here on the channel before. That's getting banned now, guys. Won't be able to play on Stake. Won't be able to play on Rollbit, Dual Bits, and Roobet. Roobet, we've done Roobet too. Can't do that anymore. And they may identify others moving forward. So they will continue to allow websites that focus on sports betting, fantasy sports, and poker. So those are okay, guys. You're allowed to do the sports betting, fantasy sports, which I don't do much of, but I'm actually might get into that now. I gotta find somebody who's good at it. Show me how to get it involved. But I do play poker, guys. I have played poker on this channel. In fact, maybe we'll play some poker after the stream today. What's up, guys? Welcome to the chat. Welcome, guys. Any questions, feel free to ask them in the chat. Any projects, cryptos, NFTs that you guys are wanting to show me, let me know. I'll take a look at them. But no scams, guys. No scams, no spam, alright? Yeah, what's up? Why test on YouTube? Is it showing up as test on YouTube? Oh, let me check it here, folks. Yeah, I just gotta change the title. That's no problem. As long as it's working though. As long as it's working, I'm okay. Let me change the title here real quick. Because remember, we had a week there. I could not upload to YouTube. I was having connection issues with my stream, my Streamlabs. That's the application I use to be able to stream. I'm able to stream on YouTube and Twitch at the same time. Well, the Twitch was working, but the YouTube was not connecting. But now I was able to. I did an update. I disconnected, logged out of on Streamlabs, relogged back in, and then it made me do an update. So I think the update is what worked. But now, yeah, the title has been changed, guys. So there we go. There we go. I got the volume down. I can hear myself in the background. Hey guys, welcome. Check BFG. Yeah, guys. So I'm gonna be reviewing these, guys. I'll check back here in the chats here. I want to get through some of these stories, but if you guys have any questions, feel free to ask them, and I will get through these chats here by the end of the stream. And excuse my coughing, guys. I'm just going through some, just getting over a cold here. Got the stuffy nose, the cough. No sore throat, no fever. I don't think it's COVID. I think it's just a wimpy common cold. Yeah. I hope it's not lagging, because that would really suck. So yeah, guys, getting back to it, yeah, gambling policy is in full effect on Twitch and YouTube. So guys, I know those that love to watch me play dice and playing on those casinos, unfortunately, I may not be able to do that anymore. So, but I did have a few buddies reach out to me. There's a streaming service called D-Link. It's an alternative to Twitch. Maybe we'll consider moving over that maybe at some point. But I don't know, I am generating some monetization on Twitch. Not a lot though. So if you want to support the channel, if you're loving what we're doing here and you're on Twitch, go ahead and subscribe. You can actually subscribe for free with Amazon Prime. If you have Amazon Prime, you get one free subscription per month. And I'm pretty sure with the subscription, you guys get my content ads free. In fact, I don't even probably have my ads up. That's probably the reason why I'm not making any money doing it. I make a little bit. Not a lot, though. Not a lot at all. Not enough to support the channel. That's why I have sponsors here. I actually want to introduce, we got a few sponsors today. So I want to thank Indeniro. Yeah, it's like Nero. Yeah, that's my name, Nero. Indeniro. This is I want to thank our sponsor today, Indeniro. It's a U.S. accounting firm with clients all over the nation, all over the United States. Nationwide, they provide CFO services, accounting services, tax services, yes, etc. They help your business save costs and be more efficient with their accounting. So yeah, you don't need to spend, hundreds of thousands of dollars on a CFO. They could do that for you. They could be your CFO. Yes, they help businesses save a lot of money. And then they also make sure that you are paying the right amount in taxes. You don't want to be paying, obviously you don't want to pay too much. You don't want to pay not enough, because then you get in trouble, right? So they make sure you're paying the right amount in taxes. If you're interested in finding out more about Indeniro, please reach out to me at Dapp Center, guys. dappcenter@gmail.com is my email. You can also DM me here or leave a comment below. You get a 10% discount for the first 3 months, crypto-related. This is actually good for crypto-related businesses as well that are based in the United States. So if you're a crypto business and you're based in the United States, you're looking to save money. If you're looking to save money, you want to make sure you're doing all your due diligence, make sure your accounting is perfect, then Indeniro's for you, folks. It is for you. So yeah, make sure to reach out. Let me know. You can also check out the website. I'll send you guys the link here in the live chat so you guys can check it out. Yeah, and they are crypto friendly, guys. Crypto friendly. They can work with crypto related companies. They can do things in crypto. They are big innovators in the crypto space. So check it out. Grow with Indeniro. No matter the size of your business or the scope of your goals, Indeniro has the tools, team, and technology you need to eliminate financial errors, streamline operations, and to grow. Yeah, they offer CFO services, accounting and bookkeeping services, tax services, and a tech platform. So you guys, check it out. Link in the description. Check RSR and cool. Yeah, guys, I'm going to be checking those. We're going to be doing some trades here in a little bit. We'll be doing some trades, but I also got another trading platform. This is actually a betting platform. What is this? This isn't dice. This isn't roulette. This is Popcoin, guys. And this, my friends, they haven't banned this one yet. YouTube, Twitch have not banned this one. This is you're basically betting on which direction the price is going to go. And you actually bet on the price prediction on Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Solana, ADA, Doge, TRX. You guys see that here's the chart. You have, it's a 1 minute duration. And you could make deposits with Ethereum. In fact, you guys could use that referral link. You make a deposit, you wager 0.3 Ethereum. Me and you both get 0.015 ETH. Yeah, look at that. Look, I actually already got my bonus from once. Somebody actually wagered 0.3 ETH. So I got 0.015 ETH, and they also got 0.015 ETH. Use this referral link. You can also find it down in description. You make deposits with Ethereum. Yeah, gamble your Ethereum away. Yeah, but you also, you could win. You could win. It is risky though, but it pays out, guys. It pays out. See, if you try to decide whether it's going to be higher or lower. So yeah, you can basically, okay, I think it's going to go up. Hit buy. 1 minute, it counts down to 1 minute. If you win, if it's above that line, if you bet right, if you guessed it right, then you get paid out 62%. But if you lose it. You lose all your money. So that's basically how it works. It's like you could have multiple bets going on at the same time too. So if you're like know exactly, if you could predict exactly what the direction is going to go. Like, if you had a crystal ball like me, like you can see right here, I got this crystal ball. It tells me where the price is going to go. Just kidding. It may not be right all the time. But if you have a good way of predicting the future, then yeah, this might be a good site for you. You might be able to make some money off of it. Done, subscribe, check EOS. Hello, everyone. Check EOS. EOS is, I bet you it's around $1 now. I know, I'm gonna go through the chat, guys. Oh, it's $1.22, interesting. I'll be going through the chat, guys, here soon. I just want to get through my stories here. But thank you for the sponsors today, Popcoin and Indinero. If you have any questions or like to learn more about it, feel free to reach out. So yeah, Fed rate hikes. Yes, we saw it. Rates raised. You guys are wondering, why are prices dumping? What is happening in the markets? Well, the Fed inflation is not getting as good as we were hoping. It has, I would say, I've looked at the numbers, guys. I looked at those CPI reports. Numbers do look better than they did a few months ago. But it's not as low as they were expecting. So they're continuing. We're jacking up the rate hikes, making it more expensive to borrow money. And people and investors do not like that. DXY, the US dollar index, is getting stronger. It is just rallying. In fact, it's actually flatlined a little bit today. But we all know that when the US dollar, you guys see, look at that, it's been jacked up. 111 points is now. Yeah. It's up. Up probably like 25% just in the last year. Yeah, they're making the US dollar stronger, folks. That's why, yeah, euro and a dollar is equivalent now, just about. The euro used to be more expensive, but now it's not. We are seeing that's what's going on with the world, guys. That's why there's so much. Yeah, I know. That's why I know. It's Indinero's in my name. Yeah, it's in my name. It's a good partnership, guys. Especially if you guys crypto projects out there, crypto companies that need some services, hit me up. But yeah, getting back, U.S. dollar index. Until this starts coming down, then the markets are going to continue to drop. If this continues to go up, market's going to continue to drop. You guys, well, what is that? That doesn't make sense. Well, the reason why the dollar is getting stronger is because because they're raising those rates. When they raise those rates, it makes the dollar more valuable because you're able to hold it and earn more. Your banks are making more money now. When interest rates are low, banks don't make as much, and then it makes it to where companies are able to invest more, borrow more money for cheaper rates. It speeds up the economy, basically, and that's what causes inflation. When the economy is rolling up too fast, it jacks up the prices. There's too much money, and ultimately it comes down to the supply. We printed 25% of all the money in the world has been printed within the last 2 years, and then we gave it away to everyone. Gave it away. You got your COVID relief stimulus checks. And you spent it. Guaranteed you spent it. And if you invested it, you lost it. You spent it, you bought bought a new car, you got down payment on a house. All that stuff that's what inflated the economy. Actually, it did the worst. It actually did the opposite effect. We should have not done all that bailout money. Or should have been more careful with it. Dollar cost averaging, folks. That's what I'm doing. That is my game plan. This is now the time, guys. I know things are bearish right now. This is like, everyone's like, get out of the markets, get out of the market. This is actually the time to start buying, guys. Start buying. Now, I do think prices are going to go lower, but we're not that far from the bottom. And I'm terrible. Nobody is out there is going to be able to just predict exactly when the market's going to be the bottom. Nobody knows for sure. So that's why dollar cost averaging is probably your best strategy when it comes to this. And I'm on Robinhood right now. I've been dollar cost averaging into my cryptocurrency portfolio that I got here, which I got Bitcoin, Ethereum. Those are my two biggest weights. You know, I got $500 or $600 in those, and I'm adding every week, guys. I'm buying $25. I'm putting $25 into every single one of these every single Sunday. Every Sunday, automatic, reoccurring payments. I got them all set right here. Look at this. These are all my reoccurring investments. Every Sunday, $25 from my bank account, from this buying power, is going into these cryptos. I'm going to be doing that for the next 6 to 12 months. Yeah, just doing that next 6 to 12 months. So that way I'm going to get the best price. It's not necessarily I'm going to get the best price, but I'm going to get the best average for the whole year by doing it that way, is what I'm ultimately trying to do. Instead of trying to time it, you know? Yeah, no, I'm going to check at RSR, guys. RSR on Kucoin. Oh, yeah. Alright, I'll check it real quick. Oh, yeah, my XRP short is doing... I'm up 13% now, guys. Yeah, dude, I took the... A lot of it is... This show is going to be about XRP. I'm going to get into the XRP SEC lawsuit here soon. I'm going to tell you guys why this rally happened. I am shorting it, guys. I'm shorting it because I'm taking advantage of the price action. There's, you know, overall, the markets are still very bearish. I don't think we're going to see a huge rally in XRP, even if in the best news. You know, people just don't have money. There's not a bunch of money flowing around to invest nowadays. So I'm just taking advantage of this price action because I think prices are going to go lower, but ultimately I am bullish on XRP, so don't get me wrong. I'm just taking advantage of the price action right now. But ultimately, for the long term, I am bullish on XRP. So I think it's going to go down to like here. We'll probably go back into the 30, 35 cent range. Ultimately, I think a bottom for XRP could probably be like in 25 cent range. Like, I think that's like the bottom. That's going to be here in a few months, maybe. At least that's what the experts, the gurus are all saying. That the bottom is going to be here in the next few months. So, but who knows? You know, they could turn that money printer on any time and it will pop so quick after that. They turn that money printer on. Not that they should. It's not going to fix anything right now. I think they're going to wait probably another year before the money printer gets turned back on. Because then inflation will just get worse and worse. But, yeah, I don't know if we're gonna see. It looks like it's starting to. I might actually take a little bit of profits here, guys. Let me take a little bit. I'm gonna cash out 25%. Put in my trading password. Just in case it does go back up, that way I'll have a little bit extra money. I could enter in a few more shorts up in this range here, and if it does go higher, it could. I'll even get a better position then. That's dollar cost averaging. So you guys, somebody mentioned R&R. What was it? RSR, yeah. I was watching RSR earlier. I was watching it. I was trying to decide whether, you know, should I enter a short, should I enter a long, and I was like, I'm just gonna wait and see what happens. Looks like it is pumping, guys. Yup. Might be a good time to enter. I might enter a short here, folks. Yeah, good call on that one. I've just missed it, guys. Look at that, dude. Just missed it. So let me go ahead and enter in. I'm going to go in small here. Going in a little short. $100. Yeah. Let's do it. I usually don't go that heavy, guys. I usually go in like 50. Which I probably should have done. Because, dude, this is actually looking... I don't know. I don't know if I'm happy with my trade right now. Because this could pop again. And go even higher. SNT token. You guys are showing. Check. Oh, dude. Algo did pump, guys. Algo did pump. I know. I'm gonna get to all your guys' comments, guys, here in a minute. Later on. Yeah, Algo went on a little run. That ISO 200 or 2002 coins or 2020 coins or whatever those. We're just calling the ISOs. They're the banking coins, cryptos that are supposed to be compatible for the new financial system that they are getting integrated. But yeah, dude, look at this Luna Classic, dude. I made $239 profit already. And I've just been buying every single dip, dude. Buying and just scalping. You buy high or buy low, sell high. And see, dude, every time Luna Classic dumps, dude, it always goes back up. Always. This thing might actually pop again, dude. We could see it pop again. And if it drops lower, guys, I'm gonna be loading up. I'll get to your guys. It's like a scam token. The Lodi coins. Ooh, speaking of which, I got hit up by SearTech. I may be considering looking into SearTech partnership. But look at this, guys. I actually went to their website. I found they actually have alerts on incidences like scams. Look at this. The DAO swap. This is as 9.9.3 confirmed there was a code vulnerability. So it was an issue of pretty much probably a hacking, which is obviously going to affect their DAO. It's a swap. And then look at this Galaxy Coin. You guys heard of Galaxy Coin? This was confirmed on August 29th. It was a rug pull. Exit scam took place on GXY with the EOA. They removed $668,000 from the project. The funds were then transferred. The project is down 99% from its all-time high. Yeah, so Galaxy Coin, GXY, I'm never mentioned it on this channel whatsoever. They rug pulled. Now, I'm going to try to do a better job, guys. I want to try and find these projects, the scam ones, and let them know that they are scams before they rug pull. That, dude, if we could figure that out, if we could find a way to save these people from these rug pulls, that would be great. Another one, Pseudo Rare. Those are rug pull. This was confirmed on August 22nd. They cashed out $855,000. Is what the amount that was lost, supposedly. Nomad Bridge incident. There was an exploit there. So yeah, I like this SearTech. They got a lot of good info. Pretty credible source for crypto. This is definitely if you're looking to get involved in crypto or you're looking to invest in a project, you probably want to go to this website, SearTech, and scope it out and see what their views are. Because they audit these projects and they'll give you what their insights and their trust score. And look at this. Their number one spot is BNB Chain. That is their number one. That is the trust score 95%. As probably your safest bet in crypto, guys. Besides Bitcoin, I would say. Besides Bitcoin, I don't think they have Ethereum on here yet. Yeah, they don't include Bitcoin or Ethereum because they consider those as fully decentralized projects. So they don't need to audit those. But Binance Coin, yeah, they got Binance Coin. Polygon, number 2. In fact, Shiba Inu is actually number 3. That's actually very good to see for a meme coin. ApeCoin, number 4. Aave, 5. Sandbox and Decentraland, 6, 7. That's good to see that we have some metaverse play-to-earn games here towards the top of the list as well, guys. So that's all very good to see. Axie Affinity. Yeah. So let's get into XRP news, guys. Let's talk about XRP. So yeah, SEC wants to remake the law rather than apply it, says the Ripple General. The Chamber of Digital Commerce gets approval to join the SEC versus Ripple. Yeah. So there's been a lot of news about the and given updates on the SEC and Ripple lawsuit, which I'm going to go in further here. See, SEC wants to remake the law rather than apply it, says Ripple General Counsel. So there's been a huge legal battle between XRP and the SEC, and there's been XRP might actually have a chance of winning this case. There has been instances where the judge has been siding with Ripple during this lawsuit. There's been some exposure from SEC's lawyer, or from not SEC's, but the Ripple lawyers against the SEC on corruption. They're basically exposing the SEC on some pretty some pretty corrupted stuff. Like, they were bribed from Ethereum. And that's pretty much the whole argument, is there's not much difference between Ripple or Ethereum, and they're favoring Ethereum because Ethereum bribed them. They accepted millions of dollars from Ethereum, and now they're trying to go after, they're just suing the SEC. They want their money. Because Ethereum already paid them off, basically. And XRP is saying, oh, the laws don't apply to us. Like, we shouldn't have to do this. We shouldn't have to pay the SEC millions of dollars. Ethereum just did it anyways. They just wanted to avoid the lawsuit. But now it's a big mess, guys. But definitely a lot of info here. You guys could Google it. XRP continues the massive 30% run in Ripple as more success in court. I mean, there's only so much they can really tell you because they've been trying to keep a lot of this stuff quiet. But there's a lot of moving parts of this. And this is probably one of the most crucial events for crypto. I mean, this lawsuit is pretty much going to pave the way, the path for crypto of, how it's going to be regulated for the future. And if the SEC ends up losing this lawsuit, you're going to see, I think crypto is really going to explode, guys. I think it's going to explode. And they're going to have to find ways to regulate it. They're gonna regulate as a commodity, and then they're gonna have to come up with a different way to regulate it. They'll probably create its own agency instead of using the SEC as a 100-year-old agency. Was created after a stock market crash in the 1930s and Great Depression. That's when the SEC came out to protect investors. Well, it might work for the stock market, but may not work for the crypto markets. So they might have to make their own. The government might have to make their own agency for it. In fact, London has already done that. There's other countries have already established this. They created their own. I said London, United Kingdom. You know what I mean. They created their own agency for crypto that's specifically to regulate crypto. And right now we're just in this. Where the SEC is trying to apply their stock/old traditional methods to crypto, and the crypto community is fighting back, saying, no, we are not like the stock market. This is different. That's the whole dilemma right now, guys. But there are some cryptos out there that do act like stocks. Like they pretty much are as securities. They are securities. They're just not registered as securities. And that is the whole point the SEC is trying to make. But not every crypto is the same. Not all of them act like securities. So that's the whole point. XRP lawsuit. Ripple moves to block SEC's transparent attempt to delay court proceedings. So this was the news that came out. This is the news that came out today. This is what started continuing the rally for Ripple. Is that the courts are starting to favor the lawyers of Ripple. We're starting to see, they're starting to see the shift. It seems like the case might be going in favor of the Ripple. Ultimately, at the end, folks, I don't think Ripple's going to win the case. I think, though, eventually they're going to have to settle somewhere. They might settle something, but I don't think Ripple's going to completely be out of it. But they do have a chance, guys. They do have a chance. But if Ripple loses, which I ultimately think they probably will end up losing, or they'll settle or something, but they will be going after other crypto projects. And that's why I'm saying, like, this is going to be a long, drawn-out process, and it's going to be bad ultimately for crypto in general and until they have everything in place. Because right now, not everything's in place. So, it's still the Wild West. Sold my XRP yesterday. May not have been a bad choice. I would just... I mean, you plan on buying it back when it drops? Because you might regret selling it a few years later. A few years from now, when it's over $3, you might regret that. So, but yeah, I'll get to the chats here. Big bank CEOs don't plan on financing crypto mining. Been talking about crypto mining a little bit too. It's just not looking good, guys. Not looking good for crypto. They're not into crypto mining because of the energy consumption that cryptocurrency mining has. Which we all heard about the ETH merge. That's going to change for ETH. ETH is 99%. They cut 99% of the energy consumption by going from proof of work to proof of stake. I'm very bullish on Ethereum, guys. Long term, I'm very bullish on Ethereum. In fact, I opened an ETH long. I should have bought more. I got my entry at $1,227. It's at $1,275 now. In fact, it was over $1,300 this morning. Should have bought more. But I do think it's going to go back down. So ultimately, I am going to be... My goal for Ethereum is to get the best price possible. Dollar cost average. I think it's going to go... Probably the bottom might be $600-700. But who knows? Might not go that low. We might not get lucky enough, folks. But I do, dude. Especially if crypto continues. Which crypto's here to stay, guys. But I think Ethereum for the next bull run is gonna... We might actually see it flipping. ETH might take that #1 spot, guys. Because I think the next bull run is gonna be all about crypto efficiency and the CO2 emissions and what's good for the environment. And ETH is already leading that, guys. ETH is #1. They have just officially became the most efficient, clean energy crypto out there. At least one of the larger ones that are that way. I know there's other ones that are like that as well, but Ethereum is the largest in market cap that's following that direction. Interesting, miners sold nearly 15,000 Ethereum leading to the merge. Ethereum miners appear to have crashed in big leading ups to the network. Well, we all expected this, guys. I told you guys we were, buy the rumor, sell the news. We all knew this was going to happen. We knew the prices were going to dump. I've been telling you guys this. If you've been subscribed to me, you've been following me, you guys knew I wasn't very bullish on Ethereum, even with the merge. I am bullish on Ethereum long term, but I know prices overall were, people were going to expect all-time highs. No, that ain't going to happen. Here is a video. Check this out. This is this guy, Your Crypto Coach, found him on TikTok. This is what he has to say about crypto. His 5 huge crypto predictions for 2024. I'm going to play this, guys, because I actually agree 100% with everything he says. So listen to what he has to say.
2024. In 2 years' time, here's what I think is going to happen. Prediction number 1, I think Ethereum is going to flip Bitcoin. I reckon the king...
Yeah, so he said Ethereum's going to flip Bitcoin. It's going to take that #1 spot.
Than the big dog, that's Bitcoin, by 2024. Prediction number 2, the massive Bitcoin bull run will come in the summer of 2024. Now, why
hear that, guy? So the next bull run cycle is going to start in summer of 2024. So you're going to want to buy before then, guys. Buy between now and the summer of 2024, which he might be saying that might be the top. Maybe that would be towards the top. We'll see what.
Is that because the Bitcoin halving is likely to be in March 2024. Look what happens to the big...
Yeah, so when the Bitcoin halving happens, every time in the cycle, we see huge price increases. So the Bitcoin halving is scheduled to be the beginning of 2024, and that's why he thinks it's gonna, you're gonna see huge run. Yeah, I would say the bottom, we are in this stage right now, guys. We are in the consolidation stage of Bitcoin. It's consolidation stage of crypto. If you look at the cycle, the cycle of the Wall Street cycle, let me go ahead and just pull it up here. Psychological Wall Street cycle, market cycle, here it is. So, capitulation. This is the capitulation stage. I'm saying consolidation, but same thing. Capitulation stage. This is where we are in Bitcoin right now. We are gonna see we are near the bottom, but doesn't mean we're at the bottom yet. We still gotta go through the anger and the depression stage, which I think Bitcoin will probably in the depression stage. That's gonna be around $10,000, $10,000 to $14,000. And then, that's when you guys want to buy. You want to buy in this range. You want to buy when everybody's angry and depressed and when the world is coming to an end, basically. That's when you want to buy. And then, you just hold. Just hold it for a few years, and boom. Sell it when everybody is saying that Bitcoin is taking over the world, and that everything Bitcoin, you got Bitcoin being advertised on TV at the Super Bowl. Everyone's talking about it. You got the new meme coins coming out. That's when you start selling. That's when you start selling the top, which probably the end of 2024, 2025. I say that's the time to get out. And that's when you get rich. We're all gonna be rich 2024, 2025. Alright, let's see what else he's got to say.
Just after halving happens. So I expect the summer of 2024 to be exactly the same. Prediction number 3, cryptos and tokens in the gaming industry will show by far the largest increases out of all the crypto
gaming industry, yeah, buddy. Metaverse.
The music and film industry.
I think that's going to be the strongest class.
Gaming tokens and the metaverse have only just started. I believe this sector will show the biggest growth by 2024. Prediction number 4 is central bank digital currencies, or CBDCs, will start to frighten people by 2024. Over 90 countries are developing their own central bank digital currencies.
That's coming, guys. Central bank digital currency.
Digital pound, which could be programmable. This could mean that every single item of your expenditure could be monitored and traced.
And this is why people are going to choose crypto instead.
Start to become more aware and a bit more frightened of CBDCs. Prediction number 5 is I think we will lose thousands of micro-cap cryptocurrency projects. As more crypto regulation takes place all over the world, I think this is going to affect
rules and regulations is going to wipe out a lot of the crypto space that exists right now. All the scams are going to go away.
Focus on the larger blockchain projects and cryptos that have got utility and that actually do something. For my free webinar on great crypto picks for under 5 pounds,
buddy. So there you have it. I actually agreed with pretty much everything he said. That's why I had to show his video. Very good video. So, all right, guys, let me check out the chats here. I know I've been rambling on. What's up? Your glasses are all right, dude. I'm gonna. For some reason, it's not streaming all the comments on my one flip, so I'm gonna go on YouTube first. Make sure to like and subscribe if you have not done so already. Yo, what's up? Check Doge. Somebody mentioned Doge already. Dogecoin's trading below 6 cents. I actually sold my Doge for 6 cents right before it went to 60 cents. And wow, yeah, I would have 10x from there. had I sold by already like 3x, right? When I initially bought in, I was like, I don't think it's gonna go much higher. Oh, was I wrong? But now I could get it back. I could buy back in from when I sold for. Like it never happened. Crazy, huh? Starting dollar cost averaging, guys. Start dollar cost averaging. Check Zill. We got Zilliqa. Here, let me get the music turned back up. Oh, that's a little loud. There we go. Check Zilliqa. Zilliqa's actually up 4% today. Market cap's only 438 million. I like Zilliqa, guys. I think Zilliqa might be a good one to get into for the next bull run. Cello, RSR. We did check RSR on Kucoin. I just entered a short there. Let's take a look at it. Oh, look at that, dude. I'm already down $10 on RSR. Look at things. It's moving. It's got some volume. I'm gonna wait. I guess I'm gonna have to cover a little bit here. So let me go ahead and buy a little more. Enter in another short. What? Do 100,000. I can't imagine this running up way too hard. It looks like it might go higher though. My XRP short's still doing good. I'm up 8% there. My Luna Classic short is going back up. I'm up almost 15% there. That my ETH short, which I didn't enter much in, which I should have entered, I'm up 22% there. Yeah, this is trading perpetuals on Kucoin, guys. You guys can find the links down in the description. Yeah, 5x leverage. They give you, I'm getting 5x of the amount of money that I'm putting up. So I'm only risking 20% of my investment that I've put up. The rest is being funded by the exchange. And anybody can trade, yeah. It's completely available to you. This thing is running, man. I should have entered along. Remember I told you guys earlier, I was like, dude, I am really regretting this trade. I think I was going to go up, which it is. But it's okay, though, because I think ultimately this thing will come back down a little bit. I think we'll definitely we should see back into this range. The only issue is it going higher. Going like that. Looks like it's getting rejected here, though. Got rejected at the 6.5. It's coming back down. What is my average? 6.448. See, I'm not even that far off now, guys. Oh, look at this. Here, let me go ahead and enter in another. I think it's going to come back down. Let's see what else we got. Sorry, guys. You know, IOD coins from the Philippines? I think I've heard of it. I know Philippines they have their own market of crypto, basically. And Indonesia does, too. XRP, yeah, we've been talking about XRP, bro. Algo. Love watching trades. Check EOS. Yeah, we already checked EOS. TRX. What's TRX doing? TRX is just under 6 cents. In fact, I just posted a video on my other channel, Degen Lifer, about Tron. Tron actually was number 3 for top 3 cryptos to buy for 2022. Maybe not a bad one to get into. SNT, somebody mentioned SNT. Status, up 6% today. Market cap's only $100 million. This might be one of those ones to get into for the next bull run. Actually, I'm going to say no to this, because if you look at it, it's been out since 2017. It is not growing, guys. The chart's not looking too good. We did not see a new all-time high in the last bull run. So if it's not growing, it's dying. Should come to at least 59. Check ASTR. And this is new. I haven't heard this one yet. A-star. ASTR. It's up 10% today. Market cap's only $141 million. It hasn't been out for very long. It came out earlier this year. Prices are down, but it's gone up a little bit today. You guys can trade this on Gate.io. It's listed on Binance and Kucoin as well. This might be one of those to look for the next bull run for sure too. Good pick here, guys. I might actually consider picking some of this up. I'm gonna have to look it up though. Any thoughts about the IOD coins? It's like a scam token. It probably is a scam, guys, because I can't find it. My guess is it's a scam. What happened to Dapp coin? Talking about Dapp cents. I don't even know why it's still listed on CoinMarketCap. Like, it's not being traded anywhere. It's got market cap $23,000. Like, you can't trade this anywhere. We discontinued the project. Yeah, once it got delisted from once Ploindex closed down, can't really trade it anywhere. It's only used to enter our VIP room. So if you want to enter our VIP room, you need to have Dapp Sense token. It's an exclusive VIP room. If you want to learn more about it, hit me up, DM me, or leave a comment. Sold my XRP, yeah. Litecoin, any news on Litecoin? Not that I know of. All I know is I am buying some Litecoin, dollar cost averaging. It's at $52 right now. If you look at the chart, like, dude, this is a great, you're getting in a good time to buy. A lot of people are watching, yeah. Thank you guys. Make sure to like and subscribe. Give us a follow. Check RFT. Tell your friends to join. Yep. Hola, do you have BTC or ETH? I got both. Having network problems. JUP, what is that? Oh yeah, dude, I'm trading. Yeah, what is Jupe? Jupiter? What is Jupiter? I think I heard this one. This has a market cap of $7 million. It's way down. It has low volume. And it's been out since 2017. It has not done anything. I don't know, guys. I don't know about this one, guys. Hasn't done much. DPD. DPD is dead. Or it's not dead. It was never really born. It's been postponed until regulations are put in place. Love your content. Appreciate it. Thank you. Thank you guys for the love and support. Let me get through. I'm also looking through the Twitch chat. Somebody mentioned check SVT. Solvent. Interesting. That is a new one. Solvent. You can buy it now for almost 3 pennies. Market cap's only $195,000. Look at that chart. Wow, that looks bad. Might get a squeeze though. He could possibly get a squeeze. Maybe. I don't know. It's only listed on a few exchanges. I don't know anything about the project, so could be dead. A lot of these, yeah, gotta be careful. A lot of these cryptos, I think, will go away. Check Nebel. Oh, Neblio? That's an old project, but it's up 22% today. Market cap's $41 million. Again, this is one of those that, I don't know, may not have a future, guys. It's only listed on Binance, CoinDXC, and HitBTC. Boss, please, DAO, explain. Are you talking about DAO Maker? This is DAO Maker, DAO $1.58, or you just want to know what a DAO is. DAO is a decentralized autonomous organization. It's basically a company that is not ran by any particular person. Like, nobody owns it. It's a community that owns it, and everybody has to vote on how the company is ran. That's what a decentralized autonomous organization is. And why crypto uses them is because it's really easy for DAOs to operate using cryptocurrency, because they can use the blockchain to govern all of its what it does. You could do all the voting there. You could have in fact, this is what the DAO Maker is. In fact, we'll just go to this website. Tokenizing the future. DAO brings next generation digital financial solutions trusted by more than 450,000 users and startups. Yeah, so it's an ecosystem that is self-governed by the token holders or DAO members, and they all vote on how it's being ran. And there's tons of DAOs for all kinds of different industries. Like, you have a DAO for marketing, you have a DAO for obviously the most popular DAOs are the financial ones for crypto. They, for staking and farming, investing and stuff like that, having launch pads. But you can also have like social media ones. Yeah. I think DAOs are going to be big for the next bull run. So definitely keep an eye on your DAOs. Check Monero. Oh, let's check Monero. I don't know Monero. Monero. I've never heard of that one. Is Terra Luna stable? It kinda is. Terra Luna Classic is ish. It's becoming stable. The community and Binance are working to revive the Terra Luna Classic project. Terra Luna crash. It was the worst crash in history. Probably as big as the biggest Ponzi scheme from what's his name? Bernie Madoff? Yeah, was it Bernie Madoff? The biggest Ponzi, yeah, Bernie Madoff. He was the biggest, he had the largest Ponzi scheme, frauding $64 billion. Terra Luna is about $50 billion. He was $64 billion, so yeah, Terra Luna would have been the second largest, technically, an algorithmic Ponzi scheme, so to speak. But they are working to fix it. They are working to revive it. And it's really important because right now it's a meme, but those in crypto that, especially, Binance, the largest crypto exchange in the world, they're obligated to fix this project. Like, there's billions of dollars that are lost. So many people have been affected, and there's so many people that got into crypto, that got in Terra Luna, they put in their life savings into this, and they lost it all. And trust me, these people are not going to come back. Like, a lot of these guys that went all in on this crypto, like, they won't come back. So crypto as a whole, like, the crypto community, the Terra Luna community, and Binance, they feel like it's obligated to try and fix this. So they took over the project. They're trying to fix it and revive it. So it might be a good idea to maybe hold on to some Luna Classic just in case of a possible recovery. I mean, could you imagine buying Luna Classic right now for $0.00027 dollars? And it was once $120. Use like, it's just the potential. It's high risk, guys. Very, very high risk. But the potential reward is very high too. So you just gotta factor it in that. Buying this is like buying a scratch-off ticket or a lottery ticket. That's basically what you gotta think of it. Yeah, we mentioned the sponsors today. Solana. Solana, I don't think is doing much. Solana's down to like $30. Yeah, $32 you get Solana now. Market cap is still really high. It's $11 billion. It's pretty big market cap. Support Dapp, poor connection. Appreciate you guys all being here. Thanks for all the love and support. Sup? Think Luna's the best token to buy? You talking about Luna or Luna Classic? Because they're completely different. Terra Luna is the Kucoin's project. He abandoned Luna Classic. Kucoin, the scam artist, the con artist, quote unquote. He abandoned Luna Classic. The community took it over, tried to fix it, and he created Luna 2.0, Terra Luna. This is the new coin. This is the scam. This is the one. If you think Kucoin's a scam, you want to stay away from this coin, guys. In fact, you look at the chart. It has. I mean, it did pump. We did see it pump here, but I don't think this is gonna have a bright future. Especially, South Korea is after them. Yeah, they got arrest warrants for Kucoin. They're trying to capture Kucoin. He is on the run, guys. He is on the run. I think he's in Singapore. Singapore is like his safe haven right now. All right, here we go. Let's get on some trades here, folks. You guys want to watch me enter in some trades? We're going to do some day trade here on Kucoin. RSR kept going up. Look at that. I'm down now 7%. Let me fix this trade here because I effed this trade up. My entry price was 6,462. It's at 653 now. Well, I missed my opportunity there to get in. I guess I'm gonna have to try and yeah, I missed my opportunity here. Shit. I gotta fix this. Yeah, I entered in at the bad time, guys. What is the news on RSR? What is this? I don't even know what this is. RSR, coin market cap. Reserve rights. Reserve.org. Stable currency, a human right? I don't know. I don't know what this is. Still can't figure it out. It's a protocol? Wonder what they mean by stable. How is this stable? Jobs? Are they hiring? It's a human project. That's interesting. So maybe a rule of thumb here. Maybe I need to start doing this myself because it'll probably catch me from getting burned. Do your research before you decide to just start jumping into stuff and start trading stuff. Reserve. Reserve helps people cope with hyperinflation and aims to one day eradicate it entirely. Ah, okay. So it's a permissionless creation of asset-backed stablecoins. So this might be risky for me to be shorting right now, because there's been a whole lot of topic discussion about stablecoins and things like that. So that might be a reason why we're starting to see this hype and pumping of the price. Now what I have to do is I'm gonna have to wait. Got my XRP. Yeah, I think we hit the top there on XRP. I gotta fix this short here on RSR. See, this is where I entered in at, and this is where the price is at. I need this to go below this line for me to start making money. So only way I could do that is waiting for this to go down, or what I'm gonna do is when this pops back up, I'm gonna double up, or I'm gonna like go all in basically. So I get my average up here, and then hopefully it drops, and then I can start selling out. Oh man. I guess I should start buying in now, huh? Let me try and fix my average here. There we go, see? Now I'm getting close. Need this to dump a little harder here. Dang, I'm down 5% now. And maybe we get lucky here. We get another dip. Ah, come on, baby. Dump it. Dump it to like right here. Look at that. Going lower. Nice watching your stream. Also your BG song. Thank you. Good night, guys. Appreciate being here. Check baby Doge. Maybe Doge might not be a bad one to get into. Oh, look at that, guys. It dropped. It dropped. Let me cash some of that out. See? There, I went from being down money. This hasn't updated yet. But yeah, let me, let's close that out. Wow, it's dropping even harder. Look at that. Oh! Oh, dude, look at that. Oh, yeah. Heck yeah. Let me hold on. Let me cash out a little more here. Ah. All right. So at least we saw a little bit of bottom there. Now let's wait and see if this goes down more. Let me refresh here. Say I only made $2 profit on that. That's all right. At least I got closed out. I'm only down $14 right now, the current price, but that's fluctuating right now. We might stall here. I might actually got a very good short trade here. It's gonna be a waiting game. Wait and see. While we're doing this, let's see what else is popping up. So we got, I always go through here. ETH is down 5%. I still don't think entering a long here might be a good idea. Long term, yes. Long term, you can start dollar cost averaging. Yeah, RSR up 20%. Algo's up 14%. I entered my short on XRP. I probably could enter a short on Algo. But ultimately, I want to go longs on these. I'm going to keep my eye on CHZ at Chili's. This one's going to be popular for the next few months because it's related to sports. Fantasy sports, it's like a fantasy sports ecosystem for crypto. And sports are hot right now because of, being full. You got football and basketball season. It's the popular time of year for sports betting and shit like that. Let's see. RSR is popping back up. Look at that. So now, we're going to wait and see what it does. I like the volatility. It is getting nice and volatile. This is definitely good for day trade either way. You can go either direction at this point, at least for this time frame. Here you wanted to be bullish. Here you wanted to be long. Long, 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 long. Short you could have got away with there. And then long there, short here, long there, short here. You see it? Ultimately, though, I would rather be long in this. That's why shit. Trying to go short. Trying to go... I've come to learn you do not want to go against the current here. The current is bullish. So when I get an opportunity on another drop, I'm gonna go get out and maybe go long instead. We'll see. Appreciate you guys all being here. Thank you guys for all the love and support. Good night, guys. I know some of you guys it's late. Appreciate you guys being here. See you guys tomorrow. See you guys on the next one. We'll be going live again. Remember, Mondays and Thursdays. So I'll be live again on Monday the 26th. Uh-oh, it's popping. Wait for it. Wow, look at that. Yeah, I'm definitely... See, I should have sold more. Seems like it's wanting to go higher. Yeah, see, I should have went long here instead. Going against the current, it's not fun. Okay, looks like I'm gonna start. See, usually once it breaks, see, it's gonna go higher. So let me enter in here. Seems like this getting up, entering your shorts up here might be better. 6541. See that now? My entry's right here. If I could get this to fall below that, I could cash out some. Nighty Dapp. Good night. Thanks for being here. There. Come on. Take it lower. Wow, look at that. I entered another short up here. Thinking this should be cooling down here soon. It's been running up quite a bit. Dang. Look at that, guys. Just keep adding more. Hopefully we get this. I want to try to get out of this trade. crazy. Now at the 66. Which they're gonna call it, it's called the Heinz. We might get lucky here. Damn, I should have bought more at that top there. Yo. I went the wrong way, guys. There, now it's come back down. Hopefully I can get out of this trade, man. Come down, come on, come back down to earth. What's up, guys? Hey, there we go. Get out, get out. Nope. Come on, crash harder. I had like a split second there. That was freaking stupid, man. Ah, here we go. Go lower. I'm so close. Oh, no. It is not. It looks like it's not stopping, guys. My liquidation price is 7715. That's not a lot, man. Come on, baby. Take it down. Come on. Oh, dang it. Dude, that is... Come on. Come on, baby. Just go below that line for like 20 seconds. I'm gonna get out of this trade and reevaluate. Whew, there we go. Estimated profit. There we go. Yeah, there we go. says estimated profits $1. Now an estimated loss. 1.4. There we go. Oh, it says I lost $13. Not for long. There, finally. That should put me back in the green or close or breaking even. Look at that, dude. There, I'm out. Getting out. Let me see. Look, I ended up making $7 on that. $7 profit. I'm good. There, now I'm still up $37 for the day. Got out of that trade. Maybe I should go long this time. Could we see it go higher? I mean, what's stopping it right now? I don't know. I'm kind of wait and see, though. It is riskier to enter along here now. It's now time to enter along. Let's see. I don't know, guys. We'll wait and see, guys. Let me know what you guys think. Like and comment. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let me know down in the comments. Appreciate you guys all being here. Stay tuned for more. I will be going live again on Monday, the 26th. Enjoy your weekend. Be safe out there. If you guys want exclusive updates, join my Telegram community. You can join me here on Telegram, Dapp Center. Links in the description. Yeah, I post, I send all my updates. Price updates, trade updates, news, crypto news, everything related to crypto, DeFi, Metaverse, NFTs, all that find here in my Telegram. Links are in the description. All right. I will see you guys on the next one. Thank you guys all for being here. Isnir here saying so long and enjoy.